व्यूअर्स, उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। अल्लाह आपको अपने घरों में खुश रखे, अपनी हिफ्ज़ व मान में रखे। तो व्यूअर्स, टुडे आवर टॉपिक इज मैग्नीटोसोम्स. It helps certain bacteria orient themselves to the environment their preferred habitat. उसके बाद है जी सेल मेम्ब्रेन. The cell membrane, also called the plasma membrane, is the body layer of the bacteria's cell. It exists inside the cell wall is plasma bacteria. उसके बाद है cell envelope. Some microbiologists combine the cell membrane, cell wall, and capsules and term them cell envelope. Chemical composition. Cell membrane contains approximately 60% protein and 40% mainly phospholipids. उसके बाद है जी फ्लूइड मोज़ेक मॉडल ऑफ सेल मेम्ब्रेन. ये देखें जी, ये सारी इसकी तस्वीर है जी फ्लूइड मोज़ेक मॉडल की. सबसे पहले है जी द phospholipids molecule are arranged in two parallel layer called phospholipids bilayer. Protein globules. The proteins molecules are arranged as globules floating like icebergs at or near the inner and outer surface of the membrane. Some globules extend from one surface of the membrane to the other. This model of membrane called the fluid mosaic model. उसके बाद है this molecule account for the membrane's appearance under the electron microscope and helps how it allows passage of certain substances. उसके बाद ये movement of molecules across the cell membrane. Lipid soluble molecules dissolve in the phospholipids layer and pass through the membrane. दूसरा जी acid nitrogenous bases. Acid nitrogenous bases which do not dissolve in lipids over through protein passageway. ये देखें जी in transduction bacteria phage type of virus transfer portion of bacteria DNA from one cell to another. Plasmids are separate piece of DNA that can replicate on their own. They can carry genes for resistance to antibodies and transfer them between bacteria by any of these processes. Relationship between the two organisms, the host and the parasite, and the competition for supremacy that takes place between them. The host, whose resistance is strong, remains healthy, and the parasite is either driven from the host or assumes to begin relationship with the host. By contrast, if the host loses the competition, disease develops. Disease may be conceptualized as any change from the general state of blood health. It is important to note that disease and infection are not synonyms. Person may be infected without becoming disease. इसी के साथ हमें दीजिए इजाज़त। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, अल्लाह निगहबान।